Hi everybody, it's Gina Bell from East Coast Mummy, and I have a simple but super cute party idea to share with you today. Last weekend I had a 50th birthday party for my sister, and I thought it would be a really fun idea to add a retro candy bar. I went to the dollar store and a local candy store, and I purchased all kinds of goodies that I remember from our childhood. We had Popeye cigarettes, bottle caps, sweet tarts, pop rocks, and candy suckers. We also had fizz candies, bubble gum, and Nerds. I bought a big package of Nerds and I put them in little individual servings in dollar store condiment containers, and this added another cute element of fun. We also had rockets and Dunkaroos, Vachon cakes, and lemon candies. I bought this cute flamingo drink holder at the dollar store and put a candy jar in it, and I think it added a really cute, whimsical touch. The candy was really fun, but I think what tied the retro candy bar together was this sign that I designed using PicMonkey. I have a version that is blank on my blog. I'll leave a link in the description below, and you can download it for free and customize it for your own party. Simply upload the blank picture that I designed and then add the text. For the birthday girl's name, I used a black font. It's called Family Home Regular, and the size was 600. Then I added 50th birthday. You can add whatever your occasion is. I used the color pink. The font was Typey McTypeface, and the size was 300. I absolutely love how my retro candy bar turned out. It was so easy to put together, but it was a really fun detail. The birthday girl and the party guests absolutely loved it. I also found this happy birthday balloon set at my local Dollarama, and I made my sister her very own customized glass to use at the party. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell to be notified of future videos. Talk to you next time. Bye.